A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is perseverance, the cosmic law of triumphs. Ladies and gentlemen, every triumph carries a hidden rhythm. It is rarely sudden brilliance or fleeting luck that shapes destiny. Instead, it is a quieter, steadier force called perseverance. This silent companion of humanity transcends age, culture, and geography. It is the thread connecting the ancient to the modern, the personal to the cosmic, and the fleeting present to the eternal. In perseverance rests the essence of transformation, the power to endure, to evolve, and ultimately to transcend. The universe itself is a perseverance incarnate. Stars ignite after eons of silent fusion. Rivers sculpt valleys through relentless flow, and seeds break through stone with patient insistence. Existence does not rush, it persists. Within human life, the same principle manifests. Modern science affirms what sages once intuited. Neuroscience reveals that repetition strengthens neural pathways, converting fragile attempts into mastery. Psychology identifies perseverance or grit as the most reliable predictor of success, eclipsing talent or circumstance. Across laboratories, schools, and enterprises, evidence converges. Sustained effort, not sudden genius, writes the script of triumph. Yet, perseverance extends beyond the material. It is physical endurance, mental clarity, emotional resilience, and spiritual faith working in unison. Aspirational energy provides direction. Wisdom offers discernment. Courage fuels resolve. And compassion ensures purpose is elevated beyond self. When these are aligned, perseverance transforms into a sacred discipline, an inner architecture built to withstand the turbulence of life. History reflects this eternal law. Empires, inventions, and movements were not born in moments of ease, but in countless nights of striving, rebuilding, and refusing to yield. From the inventors who failed 1,000 times to the leaders who carried civilizations through despair, perseverance stands as the invisible architect of progress. More profoundly, perseverance is harmony with cosmic intelligence. Just as planets trace their orbit with unfailing precision and dawn follows night without hesitation, perseverance in human life is a resonance with the universal order. It is an act of surrender and trust, acknowledging that effort is the duty while outcomes belong to a greater design. What's the way forward? In an age where life races at unnatural speed and young minds are burdened by rising pressures, perseverance must be reclaimed as both refuge and compass. The way forward is threefold. First, strength in wholeness. Nurture physical vitality, mental clarity, emotional stability, and spiritual depth. Only a balanced reservoir of energy sustains long journeys. Second, alignment with purpose. Perseverance gains power when aspiration aligns with higher meaning. A vision rooted in wisdom and coherence outlasts obstacles. Third, surrender to the cosmic flow. Perseverance matures into grace when effort is combined with trust in the larger order. Outcomes shift from anxiety to acceptance, from burden to liberation. When these are cultivated, perseverance ceases to be toil. It becomes rhythm, like the heartbeat of life itself. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the revered Bhagavad Gita lifts perseverance beyond mortal struggle into divine partnership. It declares, wherever Krishna, the Lord of Yoga, stands with Arjuna, the supreme archer, there dwells prosperity, victory, growth, and unfailing righteousness. This wisdom reveals the highest secret of perseverance. When effort, that is warrior Arjuna, aligns with divine guidance of Lord Krishna, triumph becomes not an accident but a certainty. Perseverance thus transforms from lonely endurance into sacred alliance, a merging of human striving with cosmic intelligence. Perseverance then is not merely the secret of triumphs. It is the eternal law written into nature, history and spirit. It is the force that uplifts the weary, steadies the wavering and carries every being across the storms of existence toward the shores of triumph. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.